Come on, walk with me. All right?
I didn't take anything, sir. I mean...
Come on and walk. Foot pursuit from Dillard. Slide out. Foot pursuit for Dillard. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair. Towards Old Navy, trying to get in the car. What? Silver Buick! Get out! Stop! Stop the vehicle! Stop it! HBH 031, Mississippi. HBH 031, Mississippi. Silver Buick going towards Marshalls.
No, HBH. It was a what? Was it this one?
They went left. They went left.
Oh, wait.
I don't know where they went.
It's right. They're right there. They're going around the back.
Go and give them the air.
They're right.
They're turning right towards on Town Center towards the circle. I'm in a vehicle with a civilian. I'm going to try to keep sight of him. Just go. I'm sorry.
That's okay. You were running and I was trying to...
You're going out towards Primo?
10-4. It turned right onto Town Center towards the circle. Trying to see if I can keep sight of them somewhere. They're around the circle towards Town Center.
You see them?
Yeah. They're going around the circle.
All right.
They went around the circle already. They're up ahead in traffic.
I'm at Primo and 10.
It's a white male driver, bearded. White female, brown hair, gray shirt, blue jeans, thin build.
I'm at Primo and Town Center where I can see and turn off. Which way?
I'm going
Get in this middle lane. Trying to see if I can spot it in the traffic circle.
I'm right there.
It's right in front of a gray dot. It's in front of a black. It's in front of a black Dodge in the right lane, getting ready to turn towards the interstate. Behind a silver SUV in front of a black Dodge pickup. HBH 031.
We got it.
Okay, yep. Okay, there you go, sir. Thank you for your service.
Where I can see and turn off. Which way? This middle lane. I'm going to see if I can spot it in the traffic circle. It's right in front of a gray dot. It's in front of a black. In front of a black Dodge in the right lane, getting ready to turn towards the interstate. Behind a silver SUV in front of a black Dodge pickup. HBH 031.
We got it.
Get out of the vehicle! Shut it off! Shut the vehicle off!
Stop! Do not move. Put your hands up.
Get out!
I'm getting.
On the ground. On the ground.
I didn't do nothing. Hey, my car's rolling, sir. I didn't do anything. Sir, what did I do?
All right, 2 in custody. Code 4, everybody back it down.
What did I do?
Roll over. Hey, look at me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be abused against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, have one present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford one, won't be appointed to represent you for any question. So at any time to exercise your rights, not answer any question, make a statement. Do you understand your rights? You know exactly why. Get up. We're not grabbing nothing. He has not been patted down yet.
Okay.
In the car.
R-E-A-U-A.
Clean board.
Your date of birth, Eric.
I'm right here. I didn't take anything yet. I didn't take anything, sir. I'm not taking anything. I didn't take anything.